this video, guys, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step process on how you can easily create AI talking avatar that looks exactly like this AI 3D animation videos right here. So guys, you want to simply walk with me from the beginning of this video to the very end to see how this actually works. So guys, without no further ado, let's dive into the video right away. So right here, guys, the first thing you want to do is to go onto the Bing image creator, whereby you simply need to create your avatar. Right here, guys, I do have a prompt I want to make use of. Simply go on to create, and it's going to create 4 different images right here for you. Guys, this is it right here. So you want to simply select the particular image you want to make use of. So guys, I want to simply make use of this particular image. So this is the image I want to make use of to create my 3D talking avatar. And guys, right here, this is the prompt that you can easily make use of to create your own talking avatar. So simply download this right into your device. So once you're done with that, the next thing, guys, you want to do is to go onto photo.com, and once you're right here, simply search for AI expand. So it's going to take you right onto this page, whereby you simply need to put in your image right here, and you want to simply expand your image. So once you're right here, simply drag and drop in that particular image. So once you're done, the next thing, guys, is to simply go on to custom size, and you want to simply put in the YouTube custom size, which is 1280 by 720. So you want to simply just do that right here. And once you're done, simply adjust this video to the middle right there. So I'm just going to expand this a bit. So right here, guys, as you can see, I've been able to generate this image and this image right here. So you can decide to select any of this, and if you are not satisfied, you can easily generate more. Right here, guys, I'm just going to make use of this particular image and click on to apply right here. And once that is done, click on to download, and this will be downloaded right into your device. So once you're done with this, the next thing, guys, you want to do is to simply go on to photopia.com, whereby you want to simply make use of their spots healing brush. So the first thing, guys, you want to do, simply drag in and drop in that particular image. So once you're right here, guys, the next thing, guys, you want to do is to make use of spots healing brush, link to right here. So simply tap on this right here, and you simply go right here and simply just erase the mouth right here. You want to do this carefully, and once you're done, click onto the file section right here. Click on to export as PNG, click on to save, and that is done. So once you're done with all of this, simply go on to CapCut right here and simply import those images that you're able to download right here, and simply import your matte green screen, whereby you can easily just download your matte green screen right here. So you want to simply just import this and import that image right here also. So once you're done, drag and drop in this particular image, then drag and drop in your green screen also. You can easily just adjust this a bit. So right here, I'm just going to cut out some parts of our green screen. Simply go onto the split section. Okay, let's do that for the green screen. Split and delete right here. So once you're done with that, next step, you can easily add in your voice over, but right here, guys, I do not want to make use of that. So once you're done, tap onto the matte green screen, go onto the cutout section, enable your Chrome key right here. I simply tap onto your color picker, come right here and select your color. Then the strength, you want to make this to be more than 80 right here. You go onto the shadow, enable this to be more than 60. So once you're done, simply just drag and adjust the mouth right here to our talking avatar. So I'm just going to do this. Okay, guys, and that is done. So let's simply just play this. I'm going to mute the green screen, and let's simply see how this looks like. Guys, this is looking so amazing right here. So guys, if you simply just add in your voice over, you're able to create a 3D animation talking avatar. So this is how you can easily create talking avatar that looks exactly like this right here, by simply making use of the step that I have showed you in this video.